In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana, an easy process that will take just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Asana website. You can do this by typing www.asana.com into your web browser. If you already have an account, it's a simple matter of clicking on the login button to access your dashboard. However, if you're new to Asana, you'll see options like Get Started or Try for Free. Choose one of these options to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you're in your Asana dashboard, which is your central hub for managing projects. Your next step is to open the project from which you want to export the timeline. This step is crucial because the timeline is specific to each project, and you need to ensure you're working with the correct one. With your project open, navigate to the Timeline tab. You'll find this tab provides a visual representation of your project schedule, complete with tasks laid out across the timeline. It's a particularly useful feature in Asana for managing deadlines and dependencies. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll spot the Actions menu, a drop-down located next to the campaign's name. This is where you'll find various options related to your project settings and export abilities. Clicking on this menu will reveal a list of actions that you can perform. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Sync Export. This option will bring up another set of choices where you should click on CSV. A CSV file, which stands for Separated Values, is a simple text file that presents data in a table format. Selecting this export option will download your project timeline data in CSV format. After downloading the CSV file, it's time to open it. You can use Excel or Google Sheets for this task, both of which handle CSV files adeptly. Simply open your chosen program and import your downloaded file. This will allow you to view and manipulate the timeline data as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your timeline from Asana and opened it in a tool that allows for further analysis and customization. These steps will enable you to keep track of project progress efficiently and facilitate better collaboration with your team. Remember, exporting timelines can be a valuable tool for generating reports or even just getting a clear view of your schedule. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to practice this skill regularly, and soon it will become second nature. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy project managing.